Welcome to the DJI Modify tutorial video, where we will introduce the point cloud editing feature of Zenmuse L3. Zenmuse L3 users receive a complimentary 3-month trial for DJI Modify flagship. Upon activating your Zenmuse L3 device, the license will be automatically issued to your DJI account associated with that device. Log in to your DJI account. Click Bind in the upper right corner and bind the DJI Modify flagship 3 months license. DJI Modify now supports Zenmuse L3, making it easier than ever to process large data volumes collected from multiple flights. If your imported point cloud exceeds computer's processing capacity, DJI Modify automatically segments the data into blocks and forms groups according to your computer's performance, ensuring optimal editing efficiency. Click Create Project and select Point Cloud. Set the project name and choose the storage location. Then select Lost Files. Click OK to load the project. During pre-processing, if files surpass computer performance limits, the data will be grouped automatically after entering the project. After pre-processing, view the point cloud groups in the left sidebar. Hover the mouse over a group to display the point cloud range. Click to enter a group. The editable point cloud will be highlighted, with non-editable data shown in gray. Only the highlighted area can be edited or used for terrain result generation. Click All Point Cloud to exit the current group editing. Enter a point cloud group. If you haven't applied pre-processing like smoothing, use the Point Cloud Processing tool in the left sidebar. When noise reduction is enabled, it can reduce discrete noise points in the point cloud to improve the quality. When smoothing is enabled, point cloud thickness will be reduced to remove discrete noise, making local structures clearer. When density adjustment is enabled, you can choose to downsample the point cloud by distance or percentage to reduce the point cloud density. Right-click on your selected point cloud to perform targeted noise reduction, smoothing, or downsampling. If the point cloud was not classified during pre-processing, click Reclassification next to ASP or S-Class to open the reclassification panel. Smart Filter, more suitable for city and multi-building scenes. It currently supports classification into 7 categories: ground, vegetation, building, wire, electric tower, dynamic object, and vehicle. The results will overwrite existing classifications in the point cloud file. When the point cloud density is low or the point cloud is overly dense, the classification accuracy may significantly degrade. For areas with unsatisfactory classification results, tools like Structure Selection and Quick Selection can be used to adjust the classification results. Terrain Filter, more suitable for quickly extracting ground points and retaining more low points. For areas where the classification effect is not ideal, you can adjust the classification results using tools like Structure Selection and Quick Selection. Structure Selection uses clustering algorithms to automatically cluster the currently selected area, allowing quick selection of point clouds consistent with the current point cluster. Click Structure Selection. Single selection allows you to select one area. Add Selection enables continuous selection of multiple areas, while Subtract selection cancels previously selected areas. Set type for the selected points. 6 categories are supported: ground point, vertical surface, roof, power line, pole, and others. Adjusting tolerance can modify the effect of structure selection. Adjusting range can modify the radius of the selected area. If you have used Smart Filter to classify point clouds, you can use the Quick Selection tool. Click Quick Selection and choose Classified Point Cloud to easily modify point cloud class. Enable Change Class immediately to modify point cloud class quickly. DJI Modify allows you to use the Point Cloud Profile view to measure point coordinates and length. You can also export the point cloud data from the profile window. Click the Profile button in the lower toolbar to open the tool. In the Model view, left-click to start selection and click again to stop. At the bottom of the profile view, you'll find details like the length, height, width, and step distance. Move the profile along the step distance using the arrow buttons or the up/down keys on your keyboard. The left sidebar lets you reselect or clear profile as needed. Turn on grid line and scroll with the mouse wheel for easier visual checks of distance and thickness. Click Measure Point Coordinates. Then left-click anywhere on the profile to display the coordinate measurement result. Click Measure Distance. Then left-click on the corresponding point cloud to set the starting point, and left-click again to select the end point. The distance will be calculated automatically. After completing model editing and point cloud classification, click Terrain Result. Enable DEM to adjust the resolution according to GSD. Enable Contour to adjust the interval, datum, elevation annotation radius, and choose whether to discard invalid contour lines. Enable Grid of Points and TIN to switch between Standard or Smart mode, and adjust the sampling distance to modify the initial point grid spacing. Select Real-Time TIN Preview to see instant updates in the TIN preview as you modify ground points. After adjusting your settings, click OK to generate the output. Adjust the grid size and color for your output in the Grid of Points section on the left. TIN supports transparent display, and you can enable display color by elevation and set minimum and maximum height values. In the upper right corner of the window, click Export Output. Select the output range and format. Then click OK. Thank you for watching.